Hey y'all, I'm on my way to Marsh and Main's happy hour event, so yeah, let's go. The police are looking at me, so let me put this camera down. It's always inappropriate stuff in songs. Like, can't have listen to none of these now. Y'all, when I get home, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna do a clay wash. Ooh, this hair is dry. I don't know why I just let it get like this, but sometimes I just don't feel like filming, so my hair doesn't get done. But like, if I wasn't filming, my hair would get done. Check out the view. You know, backseat riders in my car, they get a view. Come here, come get in this photo. Yeah. We're here. Shampoo, conditioner, sample. Okay, so what do we have to do?
Oh, the drinks is just to the back, to the right. And if you need help shopping, just let me know.
Okay, thank you. She barely nailed the text. There was a moment where I was like, you know, this Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So today we have the perfect curl pattern.
Okay.
It's made of lemonade, passion fruit nectar, and white wine, and you get to choose between rum or whiskey.
Okay, I'll choose rum.
Rum? Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. No problem.
Alright, we're supposed to stop and drink. So I'm gonna stop and drink. My knees drive up to this. This is good. It's called Mix and Mingle. See how she got the table set up. Giselle. Giselle, okay. Oh, you watch The Housewives? No, I don't, but I know that there's some
saying if you play ace high, like that's the highest, or if you play joker.
Oh, can we play ace high? I think that's what so I'm leaving. Nobody plays spades. We didn't get a fourth person for spades, so that's what happened with that. But yeah, you look cute. Hold on, y'all. This sun look nice. Whew. All right, y'all, so I'm leaving Marsh, Maine. It was a nice event. Hopefully she usually has a lot of events, but you know with Corona, she didn't have a lot last year. But she's coming back. This event was really nice. She was talking about having a spades teaching day. Or no, wait. Let me get to my car. I ain't gonna show you. But yeah, she said she might have an event where people can come and teach spades. So that would be cute. And yeah, let's see if the car got a ticket or not. My car shouldn't have no ticket, y'all, because it says 6 p.m. Y'all, it was good. It was a good event. A nice happy hour mixer. Excuse you. Let's open it. She will definitely be having more, and I'll be going to more because I love her store and I love supporting. So yeah, y'all, I'm probably gonna stick this with a vlog, so this probably not gonna be the end because this will be very short. I don't know the next. Oh, I'm washing the car this weekend. Yeah, so the next time I see y'all, I'll be washing the car myself. So yeah, stay tuned, or it'll be the next clip. So y'all, today I'm on my way to the CLC Bookstore to, you know, look at some Bibles and journals and get some new ones. So let's go ahead and go. I got my phone hooked up because like I ain't feel like hooking up, what is it called? Android Audio. This thing, it just takes too much from my phone, so I just set it up there. Alright, where's my car keys? So I'm here. It's in Wyncote, PA. I'm gonna try to get some like study things. Oh, they're hiring too. Oh, this is pretty. I didn't know they had cars in here. Live. What shirts too. Ooh, Bible bags too. My mom's already get 4 versions on 1 page. Well, on 2 pages. I think I'm gonna get this one. New Living and King James. Okay. Yeah. This is the one I want. This is nice.
They're right there.
Yeah, what y'all has? Oh, the creative journaling. Oh, it's the color and stuff. This is pretty. Bible dry highlighter.
Not to overwhelm you, hardcover leather, simple.
I like
steady
purple.
Bible. All right.
This one's cute too. Oh, they have more things. More cases. Okay, they have Bible study books, devotionals. Ooh, I remember these. Yeah. Let's see. Journal. Oh, that's nice.
Just have a nice day.
Thank you. Well, the Bible I have is NIV, but my mom said to get the parallel one, so we're not flipping through multiple books. Here's my bag. Oh, I'm so happy. Hey, y'all. So I'm changing out my shower head, and the filter, and I just wanted to show y'all. This is what I use to wash my hair, the extension part, and the filter here is what helps filter out the hard minerals in the water so that my hair stays soft. So here's the replacement. I got it from Amazon, Aqua Bliss something. So this is the filter. I had to oh, it came with tape. Okay, good. It came with this on tape. So this is the filter. Okay, so it came with tape, so I'm glad I don't have to search for tape, because like there's a tape you want to put in between the things. You'll see. This is gonna be in the way. Y'all can see. So let's take apart the shower first. I'm gonna take this off, and you see I had this for like a year, and there's like mineral things on it and stuff. So I'm just replacing it. I just emptied it. It had water in it. And the head. This is like the shower head thing. Just empty it. And you can see like the stains from the minerals. So you know it's time to change it when you can see the stains and stuff. Okay. Same with this piece. Okay, can y'all see now? So see here, like I'm gonna have to put the tape on these parts. And this is the old filter. It had a good run. Alright, and I'm gonna take the old tape off too. I need like a pen. Alright, let me just clean this a little. Oh, that's a washer. Ooh, hold up. Ooh. Nasty. I'm just cleaning a little bit with some cleanser. So it says first thing to do is to rinse the filter under warm running water for 60 seconds. Flip it over, then repeat. The water might be discolored, but keep rinsing until it's clear. Okay, so I rinsed it. So I'm gonna put on the plumber's tape 2 to 3 times. Wrap it tight. So you want to place the washer inside the top part in here. Make sure the Aqua Bliss is this way so you can read it. Then you want to screw it on. So you should be able to read Aqua Bliss here. Now you want to add plumber's tape to this end. Okay, and cut that. Alright, so now we're going to install this. I want to do it when I come back because I got to go. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I'm using the other screen washer, and I'm going to screw this on. I don't think it's screwing in with the screen washer. So I'm not going to use the screen washer. But yeah, this is the new part, the new body. The new body. So it's on tight enough. I'm making sure it's on to where this part is facing down. So pretty. And it turns easily. So I'm going to put some plumber's tape on this part here. Right there. And now I'm going to screw the hose on. And last but not least would be these two. I'm going to put some plumber's tape on this part. Okay, so I'll put it on. Finish the job. Alright, so now that's done. So now I can just put the shower head right here, and the new shower head is set up. So I usually use this part whenever I wash my hair over the tub. So let me turn it on and see how we're looking. Don't mind my you ready? Ah! Oh, pretty! It comes out nice and smooth. Oh. Turn it. Probably keep this on there. Where's the rest? Uh-oh. It's not going through the hose. We gotta fix something because the hose isn't working. Oh, I think there's like a switch on the side that opens it. So let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, the switch makes it this, only that. Or both. Ah, okay. Nice. Oh, this one has a massage setting. Okay. I like this. Yeah, I'll probably have it on both. I usually have it on both in the shower. Okay, so that's how it works. Yeah, so I got mine at Bed Bath & Beyond because I had a coupon. They give you coupons like all the time, 20% off. So definitely check them out. I'll link below the exact shower head I use and the exact filter I use because it makes sure my hair stays soft whenever I wash. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Thumbs up if you liked it. Check out more like this on my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.